Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. Today I will be starting off a brand new series, which is going to be a mining game series. So on screen right now there will be a little preview of what we have done. And so basically what's going to be happening is I'm going to be creating a mining game that's going to be held open for the entire community to help out with it. It's going to be loads of fun, and if you guys want to see how this is developed, you can go check it out. But without further ado, cue the intro and I'll see you guys at the end. Alright, so hello and welcome everybody back to the very first episode of our mining game that we're going to be developing. So I've created my backpack tutorial obviously, and it's received a lot of support. I appreciate all support. A lot of comments as well asking for how do you make backpacks in games like Treasure Hunt Simulator and Mining Simulator. You've got a backpack on your back which is going to display a little icon that shows how much inventory has been used up. And so I want to just start off with a full series because it seems that Roblox has become mining games are very popular in Roblox and they've received a lot of support and many people like them. It's not a bad thing, it's not a good thing. I'm neutral between it. I don't really mind, but I think they do need some of their own elements, but I'm just going to be doing the stock standard basic mining game. So first of all, if you want to check out this entire source code or builds or anything for this game, link in the description, you can check it out. If you guys want to help out with this game, I suppose, well, basically I've created this little info thing here. You can come into here, read a little bit of information. So currently we want builders, UI designers, translators and thumbnail creators. We'll see how we go along the way. But basically you can submit your things to me through Twitter or Roblox, or you can even comment down below and I will look at it, and if I like it then I'll bring it into the game. If I don't like it, we'll see. I'll be giving away feedback to every single person who sends it out, and I'm not a builder, I'm not a great UI designer, I don't know how to translate, and what's the last thing, thumbnail creators, I don't know how to make a thumbnail. Well, I kind of do, but not a great one obviously. And so I'll be going from a complete user experience, so I will base it on how a regular person would look at it, I guess. And so yeah, so I'd love to help. I really need these people. I need, if you know how to do this, please do. You'll definitely be credited, 100% be credited. Every single model that you submit will have your credit inside of it. But it's also likely that if this game gets any money at all, I cannot guarantee you that it will, that you'll get a percentage of basically on how much work you put into the game. So basically how this game is going to work is it's going to be a stock standard mining game. Join the game, have your backpack, get your shovel or whatever it is, and you mine sand or coal or stone or diamond or gold or whatever ore it is, and then it'll go into inventory, sell that for money, you get better stuff, you rebirth if you really want to, and so that's how it's going to work. So basically episode 1, what we want to do is we are going to be focusing on the values to create for when a player joins. Now first thing I need to do is actually make this filtering enabled, but I need to go into game settings for that. And I don't actually think I can. Experimental mode off. Okay, it's automatically off now. I remember that. And HTTP request we don't need currently. Alright, so episode 1 I'm looking at about creating values. Episode 2 I want to introduce the backpacks and maybe also create the inventory system. In episode 3 I want to work on data stores, so that will be saving stuff. Episode 4, not 100% planned yet. I've got about those 3 episodes roughly what I want to work on, but we'll see how we go. But we've done enough talk now. We're about 4 minutes into the video now, something like that. I don't know exactly, might be edited a bit. And so let's just start off. So basically how this is going to work, these episodes I don't know how long they're going to be. We're going to stop once we've put a while values. I think I have an idea on what values I have. Please note, this is not scripted at all. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Haven't planned anything, I just know that I want to create values. So obviously we're going to have to put a script into service. By the way, this kind of game, if you're looking to see how it's scripted, it's probably aimed towards medium to advanced scripters. And I chose a mining game because it doesn't involve too much maths. I'm not really good at 3D maths and vectors and C-frames, so we'll see how we go. So basically obviously this is just going to be called our join script. I like to call it that. You can name it whatever you want. Join script. If you guys want to go along with this with me, link in the description. So there's going to be 4 or 5 links. First one's going to be, well, it can't be the code, it'd normally be the code, but it's probably going to be my profile. Second one's probably going to be the game. Third one's going to be, I don't know, there'll be tons of links probably. Anyway, so let's start off. So we're going to be used the player service to get when a player joins the game. So I'm going to assume that you guys already know a little bit about how scripting works and the general knowledge. So we're going to go players.playerAdded connect function, and then we're going to have our player. And we're going to also use players.playerRemoving, so when the player leaves, but we're not going to focus on that for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a folder for that player. So we're going to go instance.new folder, and it's going to give us a folder. We're going to call this folder the player's name. We're going to parent this folder to server storage. I need to get that. Let's quickly get the service local. There we go. Alright, cool. So that's parented now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create our money or cash. I like money. Money's better. I would recommend money. I saw some tutorial on use cases, but we can always change it. So we're going to go local money equals int value. Now some people use number value. Is it int value or number value? Let me quickly check. I've got the wiki open, so if you need to ever access the wiki, press F1 on your keyboard and it will pop up. Let's check it out. Int value holds an integer value. Yeah, it's int value. I think it's int value. I'm 99% sure it's int value. But you want to use int value all the time because int value can hold 64-bit, which basically means a lot more numbers. It can go somewhere around the billions, I believe. Maybe it's in the trillion. Oh, I don't know. It's something to do with 64. It's a bit complicated, but number value can only hold 32 bits. Int value can hold 64 bits, which is a load more. And so we're going to call this money, you guessed it, money, and we're going to set the value to 0. We want to give you $0 when you join. You're going to be very, very poor. And we're going to parent it to the folder. So now let's just quickly test this out. Let's join the game, press the play tab, go into server storage, injector, money, 0. Perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. Took a long time to load there, don't know why. Shouldn't have, but it did. Alright, how long are we in? It's 8 minutes already. Well, okay, so what else are we going to need? We're going to need, I want to have a second currency, like a diamond kind of currency. So what should we call it? We'll just call it diamonds for now. And we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to go diamonds.name equals money. Oh no, diamonds. Diamonds name equals diamonds. Diamonds.value equals 0. And then we're going to parent it to the folder. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to want to create an inventory. So this inventory is going to be a folder. So we're going to create a folder. I'm going to name it inventory. And we're going to parent it to the folder. Alright, so now let's quickly test this out. Set the storage, inventory, diamonds, and money. Awesome. Okay, so what are we going to need next? We're going to, let's add in current shovel, so we know what shovel they're using basically, since it's W. We're going to call this a string value, and then we're going to name it to current shovel value equals nil, current shovel.parent equals folder, and we're going to do the same with the backpack, local current backpack, so instance.new string value. Oh, I put a comma instead of a full stop. Current backpack. Oh no, not current backpack. Shovel. Current backpack dot name. Wow. Current backpack. Current backpack. Dot value equals nil. And we're going to parent it to the folder. Oh. can't do set it to nil, so we're just going to set it to that. Right, there we go. Boom. Current backpack, current shovel, diamonds, money. Awesome. So now, this is all going to be numbers, right? But when we're displaying the money, we want to display it in numbers. We're not going to want to display the money as this. We're going to want to display it as 1 billion, for example. Or we'll probably have it end up being 1B, because most people know what 1B is, 1 billion. So how we're going to accomplish that is we're going to create, this is going to be the folder, so that's going to be server stats. Now we're going to create a separate local stats, so we're going to go local folder, it's instance.new folder, local folder, .name equals, I don't want to set it to their name, let's just call it values, local folder, dot parent equals player. Okay, cool. So now we're going to create money, diamonds, and inventory. So we're going to set this to a string value, and we're going to value this at, I want to actually move this just because I have all of my other stuff. Yeah. And money.parent equals local folder. And then we're going to create our diamonds. String value. Diamonds.name equals diamonds. Diamonds.value equals 0, 0. Okay, so quickly I want to discuss about my YouTube upload schedule. So currently I really want to upload every Saturday. But my internet is really slow. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to upload a 15-minute long video, and it's just really long to upload, so some weeks I might miss it. I do have holidays soon, so hopefully I'll be able to schedule a lot of videos up there and then, and I'll probably be able to go through a lot of these episodes. Next video, what have I got next video? Let me see, because I've got some plans. I don't know what to do. Let's see, so next tutorial I want to continue with that fireball tutorial that I created, and I want to make it so you can, if you click on the screen, a fireball will be created. So that's next video, hopefully. But for now, let's just continue with this. So we need a parent this equals local folder, and then we're going to create the last one. Now I actually just realised that I've named this different things. I named them the exact same name, so that's going to just overwrite that, so we don't want that, so we're just going to call this local money and local diamonds. And like this, we're just going to create a regular folder because that's what we want. And we're going to parent it to the local folder. Awesome. So now whenever you join, not under here. Whenever you join, get your stuff, inventory, current backpack, current shovel. We're going to players, me, add values, and they've got inventory, diamonds, and money. Awesome. So that's when you join those. So when you leave, there's going to be a problem. So I'll show you the problem quickly. I'll see you guys back quickly. I'm just going to quickly load up a server with 5 players. Alright, so my server's just quickly loaded up, and you're probably going to notice that only a few of the players are in, and so it is looking pretty good. So here's all our players, and if we go into server storage, each player has their own little folder with all their stuff, and if we go into the players, each player has their own little values, and so it's great. But let's say 10 people join the server, and one of them decides I no longer want to play, they leave. Now player 5 disconnected, but their stats are still there, so that's kind of the problem. The stats remain, and we don't want the stats to remain. So we can accomplish this by just creating a little thing when the players leave. I can't spell player, removing. And player. So player removing gives us player, which we can use. And so what we can do is, we don't actually have to worry about the local stats because those will be deleted when the player leaves. The player object gets parented to nil. It still exists, but it's parented to nil. but we need to just delete this folder, and later on we'll actually save our data, but that's probably episode 3 or 4. So we're going to go local player stats equals server storage. Wait, we'll go wait for child player dot name, and then we're just going to quickly player stats destroy. So now whenever a player joins, their stuff is in. I can't actually use this. I don't want to go through the whole servers thing again, but basically what happens is when a player joins, they get all their stats. When they leave, their stats will be deleted for them to rejoin again. So that's another problem if a player leaves and their stats remain behind and they join again. The server might be using their old stats and not their new stats, and stuff could just get a little bit complicated. So that's there. So I think that's where we're going to conclude this little episode 1. So that's creating values. Please note that this will be all in the description, so I'm not going to put in code used in this video. I'm just going to put the place link because, well, there could be multiple scripts that I edit in one episode. So I'm probably expecting these videos to last for anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. It depends on what I'm doing in that episode. So yeah, and one quick last note before we leave. If you have any tutorials or things that you want to learn, comment down below. I'm creating a big list now that's going to have everything, and I want to go through everything slowly, one by one. But I really want to know what you guys want to know, because it's all well on me for me to create tutorials, but it needs to be useful for you guys. And if you guys want to learn how to make stuff in Roblox and you want to learn how to script, consider subscribing. You don't have to, up to you. Like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, then dislike it. And if you have an idea or you want to give me some sort of, you just want to talk to me, comment down below. If you want to send submissions, send me a message on Roblox, tweet me, comment down below. It's all up to you really. And the last thing I want to say is, any code that I edit during the series, I'm only going to do it during the video. So I'm only allowed to create changes during the video. So we could end up with long videos. I wish I could stream, but my internet's not able to do that. My internet's around 20 megabytes per second download and about half upload, really slow. And so if you guys, yeah, that's where we're going to end the video. So thank you for watching. This could be a long series, it could be a short series. I don't know how long it's going to last. We'll see where we go. It seems very popular that people want to learn, and so I'm just going to quickly save this. It's a local file for now. I'll upload it later. And so thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.